Once upon a time, there was a mother. She had two daughters called Nancy and Jiwoo. Nancy, she has a swimming pool business. People come to swimming pool and pay for it, and they take a swim. And Jiwoo has an umbrella shops, so people come to buy umbrellas. So this mother goes in front of her house every day and check on the weather. And one day it rains, so she's crying. She's crying. So some passers-by, people who pass by the house, they ask her, "Hey, what's wrong, mother, auntie? So is there anything I can help?" So mother says, uh, "My daughter, Nancy, she has a swimming pool, and now it's raining. So everybody's gonna stay home and they don't want to go on a swim. So her business is gonna be really bad. So I'm worried about her living. I worry about her family. So that's why I feel really bad. I'm really crying. Yeah. Okay. So the next day, it's a sunny day. It's sunny day. So the mother is also crying on that day. So passers-by, they ask her again, "Andy, why are you crying again today?" Um, I have a daughter, called. She has a umbrella shop. So now it's sunny. So everybody's gonna not. They're not gonna buy umbrellas. So it's gonna be bad for her business. So that's why I'm crying. So I really feel really bad. So the mother sits in front of her house every day crying, crying, day after day, weeks after weeks, months after months. One day, a scholar passes by her house. He saw uh, the mother crying, so he asked, "Andy, what's wrong?" So the mother told him her story. So the scholar told her, instead of thinking, your daughter who has a umbrella shops, she's gonna lose her business because it's sunny day. Why do you think this way? You know, it's a sunny day. My daughter Nancy, she has a swimming pool, so everybody's gonna goes out and take a swim. Because it's gonna get hot. So everybody gonna go swimming. So her business is gonna be really good. So she will be able to support her family, and she will be able to support me. She will be able to, you know, put her children to the school, university, and she can make donations and stuff like that. And on a rainy day, oh, my daughter Jiwoo has an umbrella shop, so people needs to buy umbrella, to go out. So her business is gonna be really good. She's gonna be happy. She's able to help people. She will be able to support her family and also support me. If you think this way, you're gonna be happy. And so the mother thought for a while. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, that's how I should be thinking. Yeah. So from this day on, so the mother was happy every day. She lived happily ever after. So the moral of the story is every situation, every challenge, every problem has more than one way to look at, more than one perspective. Even the coin has two sides, the head and the tail. So let's say you have a problem, you lost your job. You might be thinking, why am I the one who lost the job? My boss only fired me. Everybody has their own job. They stay on the job. So maybe my boss is really bad. Oh, maybe the government is bad. The economy is doing bad. The government increases the taxes. So instead of being really resentful and really upset, really complaining, there's always something you can do. You can think this way. Oh, you know what? I haven't taken a vacation in 10 years. So now I can take a vacation now. I can do some traveling. I can do some self-improvement. I can take some courses that I always wanted to take: stock investing, real estate investing, or cryptocurrency course. So then I don't really worry about the job. I can be my own business. I can have my own business. So the moral of the story is you can do something about every problem. If there is something that you cannot do, you cannot control, there's no point feeling upset or feeling sad about it. So if there's something that you can do about it, then go ahead and do it. The time you spend complaining, the time you spend being upset, being sad, being disappointed, being frustrated, you could use those time to improve yourself, change that situation, change your life. So do something about it. Go do some traveling, attend some courses, take some courses, whatever it is, approach a mentor. Just do it. Just do it. Everybody has a problem. Everybody has a challenge. The rich have their own problems. The poor have their own problems. The men have their own. The women have their own. So what change people like is how they think about it. It's their perspective. So if you think that you are not in control, you don't do anything about it, then you will feel really bad. If you think you are in control, you can change your life, you will change your destiny, then you do something about it, then you will feel happy. So that's why some people, despite all the difficulties, all the challenges, all the shortcomings in their life, they want on to become successful. They want on to become really, really rich. They want on to live their life really, really, really happy. Everybody has their own problems. So don't think you are the only one who's having a problem. Don't think that you are the center of the universe, So someone out there is trying to take advantage of you. Don't think about it that way. So I hope you learned something about this lesson, and make sure you comment down below if there's anything that you learned from this video. And if there's any questions that you have, comment down below. And remember, there's always more than one ways to look at things. So it's really up to you to what to do about your life, what to do with the situation, what to do with your challenges, what to do with your problems, what to do with your shortcomings, what to do with your unlucky. If you think you're unlucky, you can do something about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you watch and take the end, comment down below I watch and take the end. So this is insider motivation and inspiration. So you stay rich.